Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo T1 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, remove the case if you have. And as you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to try to clear it. So insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the dirt out. Try to do it gently. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.